So in front of the bus you have these signs, and of course it's all in Thai, but remember this is a combination station. So this is Mo Chit BTS and Chatuchak MRT, and from here you can take the MRT or the BTS towards your destination. Good morning. It is Saturday morning and I was doing my morning round that I always do in the weekend, and I was passing by the Chatuchak Bus Terminal or Mo Chit Bus Terminal, and I realized that after making about 1500 videos about Bangkok, I actually never filmed the largest bus terminal in the city and in the country. I also noticed that they are doing a lot of renovations here, so I thought it would be a nice way to document how it used to be. Well, these are all going to be new ticket counters, and I think this is going to be all automatic. Let me show you the Mo Chit bus terminal. Let's go inside and let's have a look. You see a lot of constructions going on. So all the stalls where you used to buy the tickets outside, now they are in here. And they're gonna get their new location soon. So here you see all the destinations. Sawadee Krap. Chiang Mai, okay. So here you have Kampeng Pet. So these are all the destinations in the north of Thailand. And here you can also get the bus to Pattaya. The buses are leaving there from the platform. So Bangkok has three major bus terminals. This one here is for the north and northeast, and in Ekamai you have the eastern bus terminal, and then you have the southern bus terminal, which is quite far from the city center. This one is also not that easy to reach. There are a couple of 7-Elevens in here, obviously, and there are 4 food courts. So on the far ends of the station you have the food courts. Free mobile chargers. Yeah, you can see that this station is really built for people that are traveling a lot. So a lot of the people that you know from Isaan are coming here with the bus. And if you want to go to Isaan, you can take the bus from here. There's a food court here at the far end. Even has a KFC. Yeah, and here you can get all the local Thai food on the cheap. Sawadee krap. Krap. So this is the ground floor of the bus terminal, but there is also a second floor where you have the buses to the northeast. So let's go and take the elevator here. As you can hear, big construction is going on here. So the next time if I would come here, it would be ready. You know, this is one of the things that I love about making the videos. I am actually trying to register the Bangkok how it is now, and I think in 10 or 15 years you wouldn't recognize it. And it's actually a kind of time capsule. So here you have all the buses that go to the northeast, so you can go to Ubon, Ratchathani, Udon Thani, Mukdahan. They're all here. All the different destinations. If you stop the video, you might recognize where they go to. Hello. By Loyet? Okay. Here you have the different destinations, Loyet, Selapum, and Ubon. Okay, ขอบคุณมากครับ โชคดีนะครับ And here we have the fourth food court. So actually on the ground floor and on the third floor on both ends you have a food court. So there is plenty of food to be get. And then of course here you have the shop where you can buy the accessories for your phone. This is always handy to have if you're going on a long bus trip. Well, you used to be able to go to the buses through here, but they have now automated gates. So if you want to get here with public transport, there are a few options. You can take the MRT to Kampeng Pet or Bang Su, and from there you can actually walk here, or you can take the BTS to Mo Chit, but it's still all quite long walks. And what I would recommend is when you arrive here, or if you come here, to just grab a taxi. And if you don't want to get a taxi all the way to the city center, you can also take a taxi to the nearest BTS or MRT station. So the taxis are just waiting here, and as you can see there are plenty. If you don't want to take the taxi or walk, you can also go to the local bus station. You just follow this covered path here, and there you can take buses to all different districts in the city. Here you have the minivans. So here you can go straight through, turn left, and you can already see all the numbers of the buses in here. And when you get through here, you get to the local bus terminal, and from here you can take buses throughout the city. These buses you can just jump in, just ask them if they bring you to the MRT or the BTS. So in front of the bus you have these signs, and of course it's all in Thai, but remember this is a combination station. So this is Mo Chit BTS and Chatuchak MRT, and from here you can take the MRT or the BTS towards your destination. And also here on the side of the bus it already mentions it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Chatuchak bus station in the north of Bangkok. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.